In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get HubSpot certificate tutorial. If you're looking to build credible marketing, sales, or customer success skills, HubSpot Academy offers recognized certifications that are completely free and easy to access. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can get started with confidence. First, open your web browser and head directly to academy.hubspot.com. Typing the address into the URL bar is the most straightforward way to reach the official site without distractions. Once you arrive, you'll land on HubSpot Academy's homepage, where you'll see featured courses, popular certifications, and learning paths curated by topic and role. If you prefer not to type the address, you can simply search for HubSpot Academy and select the official HubSpot result. Look for the listing that references HubSpot's own domain to be sure you're on the right page. Next, sign up with your account. HubSpot Academy is free, and creating an account takes just a moment. Use an email you check frequently so your progress and certificates stay tied to you long term. After you're in, your dashboard will organize your learning and remember where you left off, which is helpful if you're balancing coursework with a busy schedule. From there, select from the wide array of courses available for certification on their site. The catalog covers topics like inbound marketing, content strategy, social media, SEO, sales, and service. You can browse by category, skill level, and duration to find the best fit for your goals. When you open a course page, you'll see what you'll learn, how long it takes, the format of the lessons, and whether a certification is awarded upon completion. This is also where you'll find any recommended prerequisites and a breakdown of modules, so you know exactly what to expect. As you evaluate options, consider which certifications align with your immediate goals, whether that's improving your team's processes, boosting your personal portfolio, or preparing for a new role. Many certifications are well known in the industry and include a shareable certificate and badge you can highlight on professional profiles and resumes. If you're brand new, starting with an introductory certification can help you build a strong foundation before you move to more advanced topics. And there you go. By going to the official HubSpot Academy site, signing up with your account, and selecting the certification course that fits your goals, you're on your way. That's all you need to start your HubSpot certification journey today.